Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE N30 and let me share with you how to enable Nigh light or eye comfort mode. So first of all, let's enter the settings. Firstly, we will customize it and then let's enter the display. On the second position, we've got Nigh light, so simply enter, and in order to see the changes, just tap on turn on now. And as you can see, the screen turns yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, here we've got the switcher which will allow us to change the intensity of that feature. So after going to the left, we can make it cooler, and to the right, much warmer. So obviously it's up to you which option you like the most, which is the most comfortable for you. What's more, we can schedule it, just tap on it, we can turn it on at custom time, so we can freely choose the time, or we can turn it on from sunset to sunrise, so your device will decide where to turn it on and off. I will pick the custom time, and as you can see, we can freely choose the start time, so let me pick, for example, 10 o'clock. Tap on OK, remember to confirm it, and as you can see, the screen automatically turned yellowish. It is obviously because we are just after the start time, and we can choose the end time, which will be on, for example, 10:30. And as you can see, the screen also changes. So actually this is it. This is how to customize this mode, and if you'd like to turn it on much faster, just unroll the top bar, and here we have to find the eye comfort mode, which will be here. Here we've got the night light, so just tap on it and you can turn it on fastly. Obviously you can turn it off the same way. Just tap on it. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode in your DOOGEE N30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.